Hello future engineers. In this video we are going to talk about KCET RVCE Round 1 2025 cutoff, and we'll be doing a comparison with the previous year cutoff as well to determine whether the cutoff for different courses dropped or increased. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Also, if you have not liked the video and subscribed the channel, then make sure to do so to get more updates on various college wise along with the course wise cutoff. So moving ahead, first in the list we have biotechnology engineering. As you can see on the screen, for biotechnology 2025 the cutoff was 3442, whereas in 2024 the GM category cutoff was 5881, which means that the cutoff for 2025 has increased compared to 2024. Next in the list we have computer science for AI and machine learning. So as you can see on the screen, for 2025 GM category the cutoff was 429, whereas in 2024 the GM category cutoff was 530. So the cutoff has increased for this course as well, which is AI and machine learning. Next, moving ahead, we have civil engineering. So as you can see on screen, for GM category the cutoff was 9539, whereas in 2024 the cutoff was 11408. So by looking at the cutoff, you can easily determine that the cutoff has increased compared to 2024, and there is a difference of at least 2000 points, which means in future rounds also candidate can expect a drop in cutoff compared to round 2 2024 cutoff. So next we have chemical engineering. So as you can see on screen, for chemical engineering GM category the cutoff was 5906, whereas in GM category for 2024 the cutoff was 8603, which means the cutoff for chemical engineering also increased compared to last year. And in this course also candidate can notice that there is a huge difference between the previous year cutoff. Here we have one of the most demanded course, which is computer science. So as you can see, for GM category the cutoff in 2025 is 234, whereas in 2024 the cutoff was 290, which means again the cutoff for computer science also increased, and in round 2 also candidate can expect a increase in the cutoff. Next in the list we have cyber security. So for GM category the cutoff was 508, whereas for 2024 in GM category cutoff was 604. So for cyber security also the cutoff has increased in 2025, which means in future rounds also candidate can expect an increase in the cutoff for cyber security. Next, moving ahead in the list we have data science. So for data science also, as you can see on the screen, the cutoff has increased in the 2025, which means in 2025 the cutoff for GM category was 367, and for GM category 2024 the cutoff was 459. Next in the list we have electronics and communication engineering. So for this course, almost for most of the courses, as we have noticed till now, for most of the courses the cutoff has almost increased. For RVCE. In future videos we will be discussing the same kind of difference and comparison between cutoff for different colleges. So if you have not liked and subscribed the channel, then make sure to do so to get more updates on such videos. So next we have electrical engineering. So as you can see on screen, for GM category 2025 the cutoff is 1126, whereas for GM category in 2024 the cutoff is 1105. For electrical engineering the cutoff has dropped, which means last year the cutoff was 1105, whereas this year the cutoff has dropped and it has gone to 1126. Only there is a slight difference, but still the cutoff has dropped for electrical engineering. Next in the list we have electronics and telecommunication engineering. So as you can see on screen, for 2025 the cutoff is 987, and for 2024 the GM category cutoff is 1240. Next, for electronics and telecommunication engineering also the cutoff has increased compared to last year. Same is the case with the industrial engineering and management. As you can see on the screen, for GM category the cutoff is 8703, whereas in 2024 the cutoff was 13536. So there is a massive drop increase in the cutoff for industrial engineering and management. Next, moving ahead, we have mechanical engineering. So for GM category the cutoff for 2025 is 2900, whereas in 2024 the cutoff was 3958. So mechanical engineering also witnessed a increase in the cutoff for 2025 round 1 cutoff. Next we have aerospace engineering. So for GM category the cutoff is 1932 for 2025 and 1809 for 2024, which means the cutoff has dropped for aerospace engineering. As you can see, there is a difference of 100 points between the 2025 and 2024 cutoff, so which indicates that there is a drop in cutoff for aerospace engineering. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video and the data present in it, then make sure to like and subscribe the channel. Also, if you wish to know the cutoff for any specific course or college, then make sure to comment down the name of the college in the comment section.